Hello Abhyasis, welcome to Abhyaas LawPrep channel. We have been discussing about the budget, various topics about the budget. In today's session, let us cover one of the most important pillars of the budget, inclusive human resources development and social justice. In this, the government has highlighted 4 focus groups which the government has identified in order to promote them. These 4 focus groups include farmers, Annadata, Garib, Poor, women, Mahilaye, and youth, Yuva. So the government has proposed various initiatives, measures, schemes and policies for the holistic development and empowerment of each of these 4 focus groups. Now let us see what the Government of India has initiated for the youth empowerment in India. The government tries to provide loans up to 7.5 lakh rupees with a guarantee from a government promoted fund, which is expected to benefit some 25,000 students every year in India. Apart from this, the government is also providing financial support in the form of loans up to 10 lakh rupees for all the eligible students who are willing to take up higher education in domestic institutions in India. For this, the government is providing direct e-vouchers to 1 lakh students every year with an annual interest subvention of 3% on the total loan amount. When it comes to women, in order to enable higher participation of women in the formal workforce in India, the government is setting up working women's hostels in collaboration with industries, and also it is trying to establish creches in order to support the women in various needs. For this, the government has allocated close to 3 lakh crore rupees for various schemes which are meant for benefiting and for the empowerment of women in India. For tribal welfare and development, the government has come up with a new scheme called as Pradhan Mantri Janajatiya Unnat Gram Abhiyaan, in which the government has identified 63,000 villages consisting of 5 crore tribal people, and through this scheme, the government will try to improvise the socio-economic conditions of these 5 crore tribal communities in northeastern region and also elsewhere in India. The government in this direction is also trying to establish more than 100 branches of the India Post Payments Bank, especially in the northeastern region. In also to undertake the holistic development of India, the government has come up with a new scheme called as Purvodaya, Vikas B or Virasit B, meaning development and also cultural heritage. The government has come up with a plan for states in the eastern region of India, for example, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, in which the government will launch various programs and policies for generation of economic opportunities and also to attain the Vikasit Bharat, that is the holistic developed India. So these are the various reforms, various projects and initiatives that the government has come up with to promote inclusive development of 4 focused groups in India and their empowerment. For more updates and information on this budget and other current related events and topics, please stay tuned to the Abhyaas LawPrep channel, and also do like, share and don't forget to subscribe to Abhyaas LawPrep channel. Thank you so much.